Welcome to English Speaking Practice for Beginners. In today's lesson, we will explore shopping vocabulary and dialogues. Practice along with us, and soon you'll feel confident in shopping conversations. Now, let's begin.
Hi, John. I need to buy a new outfit. Want to come with me to the clothing store?
Sure, Sarah. I could use some new clothes too. Let's practice some shopping vocabulary while we're at it.
Sounds great. When we enter the store, the first thing we should do is look around. Remember, when you're shopping for clothes, it's helpful to know some key phrases. For example, if you need help, you can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the fitting rooms?"
Good one. And if you're not sure about the size, you can ask, "Do you have this in a medium?" Or, "Do you have this in my size?"
Exactly. Let's practice a dialogue. Imagine we're in the store now. "Excuse me, where can I find the women's dresses?"
The dresses are in the back section of the store, near the fitting rooms.
Thank you. Do you have this dress in a medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Great. I'll try it on. Where are the fitting rooms?
They're just over there on the left.
Thanks.
That was a good start. Now, after trying on the clothes, you might need to ask for a different size or decide to buy them. What would you say, Sarah?
If the size isn't right, I'd say, "This doesn't fit. Do you have a larger size?" Or, if I'm happy with it, I might say, "I'll take it."
Nice. And don't forget, when you're ready to pay, you'll need to know how to ask for the price or if there's a discount. Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. How much is this dress?
It's $45. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with my card. Oh, by the way, do you offer any discounts?
Yes, we have a 10% discount for members. Are you a member?
No, I'm not. How can I sign up?
You can sign up at the register. It only takes a minute and you'll get the discount today.
Great. I'll sign up and use the discount. Okay, John. We've practiced shopping for clothes. How about we head over to the grocery store and practice some grocery shopping vocabulary?
Good idea, Sarah. Grocery shopping is something we all need to do regularly, so it's important to know the right words and phrases. For example, if you're looking for something specific, you can say, "Where can I find the bread?" Or, "Is there a discount on these apples?"
Exactly. And don't forget phrases like, "I'd like a pound of chicken," or, "Can you tell me the price of these oranges?"
Great points. Let's role-play a grocery shopping conversation.
"Excuse me, where can I find the fresh vegetables?"
The fresh vegetables are in aisle 3, near the dairy section.
Thanks. I'd like a pound of carrots, please.
Sure. Here you go. Anything else?
Yes, how much are these apples?
They're $1.50 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds, please. Oh, and do you have any discounts today?
Yes, we're offering 20% off on all fruits and vegetables.
That's perfect. I'll take 2 pounds of apples then.
Great choice. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for today. Thanks for your help.
Now, Sarah, let's talk about shopping for electronics. When you're buying gadgets or devices, you might need to ask about features, warranties, or return policies. For instance, you could ask, "What's the warranty on this laptop?" Or, "Can I return this if I'm not satisfied?"
Good tips, John. It's also a good idea to ask if the store has any sales or promotions. For example, are there any deals on smartphones this week?
Exactly. Let's practice that in a dialogue. "Excuse me, I'm looking for a new smartphone. Do you have any deals on phones this week?"
Yes, we're offering 10% off on all smartphones this week. What kind of phone are you looking for?
"I'm looking for a phone with a good camera and plenty of storage. What do you recommend?"
I'd recommend this model. It has a 48 MP camera and 128 gigabytes of storage. Plus, it's on sale this week.
That sounds perfect. What's the warranty on this phone?
It comes with a 1-year warranty, and you can also purchase an extended warranty if you'd like.
I'll go with the 1-year warranty. I'd like to buy this phone.
Great choice. I'll ring that up for you. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with my card, thanks.
Finally, let's talk about online shopping. Shopping online is convenient, but it's still important to know the right vocabulary. For example, you might need to ask, "How do I track my order?" Or, What's the return policy for online purchases?
Good point, Sarah. You might also want to ask, is there free shipping? Or when will my order arrive?
Let's do a quick online shopping dialogue.
Hi, I just placed an order for a laptop. How can I track my order?
Hi.
You can track your order using the tracking number we sent to your email. Just click the link and enter the tracking number.
Great. When will my order arrive?
Your order should arrive in 3 to 5 business days. You'll get an update once it's shipped.
Thanks. And what's the return policy for online purchases?
You can return your item within 30 days for a full refund, as long as it's in its original condition.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
And that's a wrap. We've covered shopping vocabulary and dialogues for different scenarios, including clothing stores, grocery shopping, electronics, and online shopping. Practice these dialogues, and soon you'll feel more confident speaking English while shopping. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English speaking lessons.